What it do, beauties? It's your girl Brandi Dione, and we are back with another video. Y'all know the intro. If you know the intro, then say it with me when it come on. But anyway, today's video is highly requested, and I've been telling y'all on my Facebook and on my Instagram that I will be having it for you guys soon. So this will be a drum roll eyebrow tutorial. So I'm going to be basically showing you 3 different ways of how to slay your eyebrows, and whichever way works best for you, whichever way is easier for you, then go ahead and try it. And we are at 41 subscribers. 41. I was just at 39. I wrote on Instagram that we was approaching 40 soon, so now we're at 41. We're on the road to 100 subscribers, y'all. So like, comment, share this video on your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I don't know if you can do it on Twitter, y'all. I don't be on Twitter, or I don't have a Snapchat, so I don't know how they work. But if you can share it so that we can get these subscribers up, y'all. I will have I was getting ready to tell y'all, but I'm gonna keep it quiet until we get to that goal, to that 100 subscriber goal. Then I'll let y'all know on a little secret. But when we get there, I'll let y'all know. So let's hop right into this eyebrow tutorial video. I will be only using 4 different products in this video. I will be using a spoolie brush. This is a spoolie and eyebrow pencil. So the eyebrow pencil is right here, and the spoolie is right here. So it's 2 in 1, and I'll tell you about it when I get to that part. Anyway, then of course you gotta have your concealer brush. You gotta have your concealer brush, because once you go in with the concealer, you gotta be able to, you know, blend that thing out. So you gotta have your concealer brush. I'll let you know where this is from when we use it. And of course you gotta have your concealer. And the concealer today that I will be using in this video is the Becca Aqualuminous Perfecting Concealer. And I know that you see me use the LA Girl Fawn concealer in most of my videos, but I'm using this one because today I don't have any makeup on, so I want to show you how it'll look when you use a concealer that's close to your skin tone, so that it can be natural looking. Because if I was to use the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn, it's gonna come out, you're gonna come out looking crazy if you was to just wear your eyebrows like that and it's all light and stuff. So that's why I'm going with something that's close to my skin tone, and I'll tell you about that when I when I show you the video. So there we have this little concealer. And then last but not least, we have our Dip Brow Pomade. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. So that's what we'll be using as one of the, as I show you how to do one of the eyebrows. So I'm going to show you 3 different ones. I'm going to show you using the eyebrow pencil, which I think is easy for beginners. I really do. Then I'm going to show you with the Dip Brow Pomade. And then I'm going to show you how to do it fluffy with the Dip Brow Pomade. So let's get started. First things first, you want to make sure your skin is completely clean. This wipe is already a little dirty because I wiped my skin before I turned on the camera, because I just always wipe my face, especially when I know I'm about to apply product on it. So just wipe your face. Wipe them eyebrows too. Don't forget them. Don't leave them eyebrows out. They need to be clean too, y'all. So wipe them. Okay, y'all, here we go. First things first, I'm about to get up into the camera a little bit, y'all. So excuse me if y'all see this big face. But because I really want to make sure I see. And I told y'all that I have better equipment coming soon. So it'll definitely be better quality, and hopefully I won't have to be so up in this damn camera like this, but I'll have to blank that D word out. I didn't mean to say that. Okay, anyway, go ahead and brush your eyebrows with this spoolie. Now, if you have an eyebrow pencil but it don't come with a spoolie, then go ahead and buy a separate spoolie. It don't even matter where you get the spoolie from. If you find one at the beauty store for $1 or $1.99, then go ahead and get it. It don't even matter for real. But I personally like this shade of the eyebrow pencil, and I like the fact that it comes with a spoolie. So I go ahead and I went ahead and bought it. But just brush your hairs, your eyebrow hairs. Brush it up. Brush it up, y'all, so that you can kind of get the hairs together, and then brush it down. Then you want to brush it down like that. Okay. Now we're going to go in with the pencil. As you can see, I sharpened my pencil. It's nice and sharp. And now I'm going to go in from the beginning, from the inner eyebrow, and I'm going to come out about a ½ an inch from where my eyebrows start, if that makes sense. So my eyebrows start like right here. I'm going to come out like a ½ an inch. So I'm going to come out right here. And the reason I do that, I come out a little further than where my eyebrows start at, is because when you start to blending it in to give it that soft look in the front of the eyebrow, that's how you get that look. That's how I get the look. I mean, I don't know how other people do it, but that's how I do it. So as you can see, I'm just drawing a line from my natural brow shape. This is my natural brow shape. I was telling my friend that the other day when I was doing her eyebrow, is that you don't want to draw a shape on. You want to go with your natural eyebrow shape, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm just drawing a line down, y'all. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the top brow. I'm going to line it up with this one, like this. And then I'm just going to draw the line down. And look what happened to this. I got to sharpen this. Hold on, y'all. I'm back. So now I'm just going to finish drawing that line down. And it's going to take practice. It's definitely going to take practice. It's not going to be perfect at first. But see how crazy that look? Oh, and then you're going to color in your the brow. So just color it in. Okay. Then it should look like this. It should look crazy, just like this. But then you're going to go in with your concealer. And as I mentioned in the intro, is that you definitely want to use a concealer that's, if you don't plan on applying like no foundation or nothing else on your face, then you want to go with a concealer that's so close to your skin tone so that it won't look crazy. Because if you was to go in with a concealer that you apply for your highlighter or whatever for your face, then it's going to look light and crazy on your face if you don't plan on applying like foundation. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to go in with this this Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in the shade Dark Golden, and I'm just going to use my concealer brush, put some of that product on that concealer brush, and then I'm going to go under my eye, and I'm just again going right underneath of my eye. And just go just like that, line it out. And now what you're going to do is you're going to blend that concealer out. So you go, how I blend it is I go downward. I go downward. Just like that. And then I go back over it. Just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same for the top part. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the same with the top part. Just bring it right on down. Blend that out. Go back in. And this is called cleaning it up, y'all. So it's creating a fresh, nice line. And then you just blend that concealer out. Okay, so now I'm going to take that other end of that spoolie. The spoolie, and I'm just going to brush in the beginning. And it's going to make this softer than the rest of the eye. See how it makes that soft? And then you just want to take your pinky or whatever finger and just go over the eyebrow. Kind of blend that concealer out a little bit more. And then there you have it. That's how you do the eyebrow pencil one. So now we're going to go on with the other eye. And then with this eye, I'm going to do use the dip brow pomade. So I'm going to use that same spoolie and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up. This time I'm brushing it up, y'all. Because I'm about to show you the fluffy look now. Now I'm about to show you how to make it as natural as possible. If you know what I'm saying. So I forgot one important other thing that you need. You need a brow brush. It's very important because you cannot use the dip brow pomade without a brow brush. So this is the Real Techniques brow brush. And I got it from Ulta Beauty for like under $10. So you can pick this up. Any brow, well, I'm not going to even tell you that any brow brush will do, but I guess it will. But I like this because some of them come a little bit too soft. And what you going to do with it when it's too soft? This is like a little bit kind of dense like. But anyway, it's just my preference, y'all. It's just my preference. If that works best for you, then go ahead and get it. But I'm just going to take this. I'm going to dip it into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. And I'm going to, this time I'm not going to come out a little bit. I'm going to start right at the beginning of my brow. And I'm going to draw that line right underneath. And don't worry about it because you can always clean it up. Like I said, you will clean it up actually. And I'm just coloring in the ends. I'm just brushing it actually. I'm just brushing the ends a little bit. Just like that. Okay. Now I'm going to take like, I don't know how to say this, but I'm just going to take like the end of this brow brush and I'm just going to brush my hairs up a little bit. And I'm starting from the middle and I'm going back. And this will give you a real natural look. Some people prefer really, really natural eyebrows, but they want it to look more defined because some people don't really have eyebrows. So then I'm also going to do it with the front. I'm going to take it very lightly and I'm just going to brush it up. Like strokes up. And literally that's it. That's it for that. Now I'm going to take my concealer to apply that only under my eye. Not on top this time, just under. And that's why I say don't worry about the line because you can always clean it up with concealer. Just make sure you try and make it as neat as possible. If you can. Let's cleaning that up. Now I'm going to go in with that spoolie brush. And I'm just going to brush it upwards. Brush it up, just like that. See? See the difference? This one is definitely more defined. This one is definitely more natural. Right? So I just wiped off this whole eye. So now I'm going to again brush it. Always brush your eyebrows. You want to get them hairs together. You want to make sure that they're together and they're not all over the place. So I'm going to just brush it. I always brush it up first. Just like I showed you with this eye. Always brush it up first. And then I brush it back. Right? Brush it back. Okay. So now we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And I'm going to do it just like I did this one. I'm going to start out with like not even a half an inch from the beginning of my eye to bring that line out. Just like that. And I'm going to draw my line. Sorry about that, y'all, but yeah, I'm going to continue to brush it down, and then I'm going to dip some more back in the pomade, and I'm going to do the top just like that. So brushing it down, basically the same as you do with the pencil. And I'm going to fill it in a little bit. I'm not going to fill it in because it's already dark. As you can see, the ebony pomade is way darker than the brown. Going in with the concealer again, y'all, and I'm just going to apply that under the eye, and blend it out, and then go back in and make sure that the line is nice and sharp, baby. Make sure that that line is nice and sharp. And y'all always remember, right? Your eyebrows are not going to ever be the same. They're sisters, but they're not twins. So now I'm taking some more concealer and I'm applying that to the top part of my eye. Now I'm going in with the spoolie again, and I'm going to brush in the front of the eye softly. And now I'm going to begin to brush the whole eyebrow into place. Some spots you might see might be a little light, like down here, and then it might be like dark in the middle. You're just going to brush them together so that it could be one whole color. And then you're going to clean up any concealer with your hand, like wipe any excess concealer away. Take a step back, look at your brows, make sure they look okay. And that is it. Those are the 3 ways to use your, those are the 3 ways to slay your eyebrows. So this video is going to be long, y'all, because I'm looking at the time now, and I'm like almost at 19 minutes. Because I was just rambling on and on, but I like my videos to be long because I like to show y'all step from step. Some people in their videos, they might show you one step and, you know, skip steps, but it's like, how can you learn when you're not really showing them everything that you do? So I really like to show y'all literally step from step. So that's why my videos be so long. But if that's not your preference, then you don't have to watch it, or you can cut it off at any time. But I just like to show y'all step for step. So that's a little tip onto why my videos are so long. But we are done with this video, y'all. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so that you will not miss the next video or any up and coming videos from me. Like this video, comment, give me positive feedback, and follow me on Instagram at Brandi_so_lovely, which will be down below. And I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know, I gotta run some errands with my mom, so I don't know if I'm gonna go out like this or if I'm going to apply maybe something slight on my face. But I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here, y'all. I love y'all. Road to 100 subscribers. Don't forget. Follow me on Instagram. Brandi_so_lovely. And I'm out. See y'all in the next video. Bye.